I'm sure you've heard of Smartsheet, the powerful spreadsheet and collaboration platform. But did you know that there's a limit to the number of owners a Smartsheet can have? In this video, I'm going to answer that question and show you how to work around it. Smartsheet is a great tool for teams of all sizes. It allows you to collaborate on projects, track tasks, and manage your work in one place. But what happens when you need to share a Smartsheet with a lot of people? Can you add an unlimited number of owners? Thesis. The answer is no. There is a limit to the number of owners a Smartsheet can have. However, there are a few ways to work around this limitation. Outline. In the rest of this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. The default owner limit for Smartsheets. How to work around the owner limit. The best practices for managing Smartsheet owners. The default owner limit for Smartsheets. The default owner limit for Smartsheets is 25. This means that you can only add up to 25 people as owners of a Smartsheet. If you try to add more than 25 owners to a Smartsheet, you will receive an error message. How to work around the owner limit. There are a few ways to work around the owner limit for Smartsheets. Use collaborators instead of owners. Collaborators can view and edit a Smartsheet, but they cannot make changes to the ownership of the sheet. Create multiple Smartsheets. If you need to share a Smartsheet with a large number of people, you can create multiple Smartsheets and add different people as owners of each sheet. Upgrade to a higher tier of Smartsheet. The Enterprise and Premier plans allow you to add an unlimited number of owners to a Smartsheet. I recommend using collaborators instead of owners whenever possible. This is because collaborators are less likely to make changes to the ownership of the sheet, which can cause confusion and problems. Best practices for managing Smartsheet owners. Here are a few best practices for managing Smartsheet owners. Only add people as owners who need to make changes to the sheet. Regularly review the list of owners and remove people who no longer need access to the sheet. Consider using groups to manage access to Smartsheets. This can make it easier to add and remove users, as well as assign permissions. In this video, I've answered the question, how many owners can a Smartsheet have, and shown you how to work around the owner limit. If you're using Smartsheet, I encourage you to experiment with the different ways to work around the owner limit. You may find that it's possible to share your Smartsheets with more people without any problems. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.